So today we are going to learn how to access Google Forms and how to set it up. First off, I start here on google.com. You access your Google Forms. I go through Google Drive. If you have a Chromebook, it might look a little different. You might have Google Forms actually here in your widgets or your shortcuts. You go New, and here you're going to find everything you have on your Google Drive. So for instance, there's Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and in more, you are going to have Google Forms. So I'm going to ask you to add a blank form or from a template. I'm just going to do a blank form. First you're going to do is you're going to title your form, and I'm going to title this Joe, let's erase this, Joe's IEP data. You can put something in description here also if you need to. The best part about Google Forms or any Google product is that it's automatically saved, so you don't have to hit File Save. And also when you click here where it said Untitled Document, it's going to automatically put what you put in your title. So here, Joe's IP data. This is how I create my document. So if I would go back here into my Google Forms, here you're going to see it, Joe's IEP data.